So today we are going to make namak ajwain paratha, which is very easy to make when you don't feel like making anything, you don't have any vegetables in your house. Just make this paratha, very easy to make. So I already have a dough prepared. So I am going to take ball out of this dough, so to make it a roll. So for this paratha namak ajwain, you just need one bowl. Just roll it nicely. You can make square, triangle, circle, whatever shape you like. I will make circle. I'll make a round paratha out of this. So just roll it, and now we are going to add ghee. I have ghee here, desi ghee made at home. So nicely spread it. Now we are going to add ajwain, around 1/4 teaspoon of ajwain, and then around half teaspoon of, or less than half teaspoon of salt in here. And just to add some flavor, I'm using some garam masala. So you can look at my recipe on how to make homemade garam masala. So just add all this together, and now pick this up and let's press it from all the sides. Put it in a dry flour, and now let's roll it. So just roll it till it becomes thin and like a roti shape. And in the meanwhile, I'll just turn on my gas. Make sure your gas is medium to high flame. This atta goes very well with any type of dal, sabji, anything, even with the normal mango pickle too. So as I said, if you don't have any vegetables in the house, you don't feel like cooking, you want to feed your kids, just make this paratha, very handy to make. So look at this, this is rolled nicely. So I am just going to see if my skillet is hot here, tawa is hot. Let's put it on the tawa. So let it cook on both the sides for 2 to 3 minutes, but we will flip the other side after 2 to 3 minutes, and then we will add ghee to this. So let's flip the side. Now we are going to add desi ghee to this. And let this cook on other side too for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's flip the side. Add more ghee to this side. So add generous amount of ghee on this paratha, then only it tastes very good. So we need this to be nice and lightly brown. So look at this. So I'll just use this same spoon and just press it so that it's cooked evenly on all the sides. Look at this brownish part. I really love this paratha with any type of veggies you have left over from tonight, like bhindi sabji. Karela really goes very good with this, and such an easy recipe to make. If you have dough handy, you can make this recipe, and you don't need any tricks or tips on this. That's it. This paratha is ready to be plated. Eat this with as I said, any type of veggie you have, dal or pickle, and this will go good with anything. Try out this recipe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.